Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so we at the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are going to share some video of of Hurricane Beryl in Jamaica. Yes, because that we have people in the diaspora, that tune into the channel daily. So we have to keep the audience abreast what's happening there. We know that many of you have loved ones back in Jamaica. Our friends, family members. So we want you to witness the unimaginable Hurricane Beryl's devastation in Jamaica. So we at the Jamaica Young Police channel are committed to bringing you the unfiltered reality of life in Jamaica. So today we are sharing a series of shocking videos that capture the profound devastation wrought by Hurricane Beryl. This natural disaster has struck a nation already grappling with numerous challenges despite experiencing an economic boom and a historic reduction in murder rates for the first time in 15 years. Our dedicated security forces have been working tirelessly against all odds to protect the lives and properties of the Jamaican people. They face a daunting task, especially considering that a segment of the population involved in or support criminal activities. These criminals, their enablers, organizers, sponsors, financiers, and beneficiaries pose a constant threat to the safety and well-being of our nation. So the videos you are about to see will likely shock your conscience. They reveal the harsh reality of life for many Jamaicans, including those living on the precarious edges of gully banks, perilously close to the waterways that funnel floodwaters to the sea. The conditions in these areas are dire, and the risks are immense. Tragically, Hurricane Beryl has claimed 3 lives in Jamaica, and so far it's 11 lives in the Caribbean, since the hurricane. So while we mourn these losses, we also take a moment to acknowledge that miraculously, yes, no murders have been reported during this catastrophic event. Yeah, so we're just gonna share one of the story about one of the person who died from the hurricane, and the reason is because this person is from our community, where we were born and raised. It's not that we're being prejudiced or biased, but this man is from Arnett Garden. Yeah. So yeah, the Arnett Garden family in distress after a youth disappeared in floodwater retrieving football. Retriever football. So in an act of unthinking defiance against the forces of nature, 20-year-old Alric Moncrief, known affectionately as Kalanji and Lala, was swept away by the surging floodwater in Havana, Arnett Gardens. This heartbreaking incident underscored the dangerous consequences of underestimating the power of natural disaster, like Hurricane Beryl. So on Wednesday, amidst the heavy rain brought by the hurricane, Moncrief was playing football with friends. The game turned tragic when the ball fell into the gully along Smith Drive in St. Andrew at Arnett Gardens, concrete jungle. You know, Smith Drive and the gully is between both sides. The gully is in the middle of the road. So you know the ball fell into the gully. So despite the apparent dangers, Moncrief entered the gully to retrieve the ball, only to be overpowered by the rushing waters. And look here, if you have sense and it's a Smith Drive, the gullies, just when rain fall, trust me, the only best thing for you is just to stand up and watch it. You don't go in it. You could have been one of the best women in the world because the power of the water that coming from up in the hills. So Moncrief, his family, gripped by distress and uncertainty, has been anxiously awaiting any news of his fate. One thing we can tell the people in my jungle, that Moncrief is dead. Yeah, what not you want to believe it? Because no man, no water, no wash, no man, I ain't see him return. Let me say him dead. I just say it go. So Moncrief's sister, who prefers to remain unnamed, recount how he had left home to play football just before the family received the devastating news of his disappearance. As the search for Moncrief continues, friends and relatives has been seen frantically moving between the Smith Drive Gully and the Maypen Cemetery, where the floodwater eventually flow into the sea. Team from the Jamaica Fire Brigade and the Jamaica Defence Force were involved in the search effort, but as night fell, hope was waning. Moncrief, a security guard at Mackay and an employee at the KFC outlet in Crossroads, is also known for his passion for football. He once played as a goalkeeper for the Arnett Gardens Football Club. Despite the curfew due to Hurricane Beryl, Moncrief stayed home until deciding to join his friends for a game, which led to this tragic incident. So all I'm have to do, you see, I tell you how these people stay, them not heed warning, because the man he said them the rules don't apply to them. So his sister remained hopeful. And we can't tell you can't stop being hopeful, because this man is dead. I tell you that, you understand? So describing him as calm, humble, and a loving person, cherished by the community, the family clings to hope, praying for a miracle. We can't tell us that a miracle not going to come for you, because it's just madness. Because if them tell us not to go out there and them tell you going out, that's our end result. And tell you want, Jamaican people and all, them not be rules. Yeah, them do them own thing, so impede the consequences. Is a dead man that. And more or less, I doubt if them going to find him body, so that's the only thing we might save from disclosure, but say, him dead. I just tell you that. So this incident serves as a sobering warning of the dangers of natural disasters. It is crucial to respect and heed warnings from authorities during such time. Playing football during a hurricane and venturing into swollen gullies are acts of reckless disregard for the immense power of nature. So we urge everyone to prioritize safety and exercise caution, especially during severe weather events. The tragic disappearance of Alric Moncrief is a poignant example of why such vigilance is necessary. So we urge you to watch these videos with empathy and urgency. They highlight not just the immediate impact of the hurricane, but also the broader challenges faced by our nation, Jamaica. Your support and awareness can make a difference as we strive to build and strengthen our community in the aftermath of this disaster, Hurricane Beryl. You have to be smart this time. You can't use, ignorance and just do your own thing. You have to heed and listen to the experts because they are the ones that, tell you what to do and what not to do. But that's how it is in Jamaica. People just do what they want to do and feel like, we don't care. So as we tell you already, Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. And whether or not you want to believe it, and some people are, boy, I pray for, hey, look here, Jamaica one of the wickedest country in the Caribbean. So, but I tell you, say, although the hurricane reduce its speed, we're just lucky they don't ever get it like Gilbert or even worse. So, I want you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Shaman? Maybe they are you see? This look like me should have put on my water boot. Should have put on your water boot? Good. And Kyle, water boot can't fit him now. In growth in water boot, me see one pan sitting there team you with me one by fame.
There.
This is in the vicinity of the roadside fountain in St. Thomas. This is the road, and by all indications, this stretch of the highway probably will be impassable in a few hours. Waves are already reaching up to the road. We have a bit of a dangerous situation here in Bamboo River, St. Thomas. It appears power lines are touching each other, which are gashing.
Terrible.
This is not safe. This is not safe.
Yeah. Water Royal Main Road, impossible. Impossible. Water Royal Main Road, impossible. The sea has burst the bank. The sea has burst the banks, leaving a lot of boulders on the road now. Current situation.
see her come over. Shit.
I look Palm Beach. I see this come up on the road and all, no? See both them there. That's some of them. Mark, where are you with? Go, watch I see this now road, you know. And I road, me stand up, you know. See that? See that now road, brother. Some of both them there. That's some of both them. Both them gone in the lake and some of them drop. Some of them drop on boat. Watch it. I see that going out there. I look Palm Beach. I see this come up on the road and all, no? See both them there. That's some of them. Mark, where are you with? Go, watch I see this now road, you know. And I road, me stand up, you know. See that? See that now road, brother. Some of both them there. That's some of both them. Both them gone in the lake and some of them drop. Some of them drop on boat. Watch it. I see that going out there. Look on this now, people. Look on this now, them say we have storm. You see me? Try to show you so the government tell care for nobody. Look on this side. Look at. Nobody on this side that they care for. Watch out. Show me something here. This is a road, you know, big houses and people live on the side. That's the yard. See? And I look on this now, people. Tell me if this is real. You see this? A lot of the big drain in the water they run from. Look on all them side of the office. Look at them. Yeah? Suppose the storm will come effective now. Look at that. Everybody has a problem, you know. Look at that.
Bag of herb, dog.
Are in Jamaican, which as you can see is already severely flooded. We were told at least 20 people live in this vicinity, and wow, this is meters deep. We have a fallen tree here. We have people here still trying to get their stuff out. We have a family seeking refuge in this truck. Wow, there's water in my water boot. This is deep.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of this presentation, you know, providing you with accurate information about what's happening in Jamaica with this hurricane. I will share the videos with you. But you know that our people, Jamaicans and the world, they do not like to hear the truth. But you know, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we want to extend our deepest condolences to the family of the young man, yes, Alric Moncrief, who was tragically swept away by floodwaters. We understand hope is a lifeline in times of despair, and we recognize the community desire to cling to it. However, we must confront the painful reality. Alric is gone. He's dead. This incident underscores a harsh truth. When we engage in reckless behavior, we often face dire consequences. Alric's decision to retrieve a ball from the treacherous gully, despite the clear dangers posed by Hurricane Beryl, was a tragic mistake. The saying, when you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, ring painfully true in this case. Our direct approach may need more compassion, empathy, and humanity. Some may ask where our heart is. The answer is simple. It is right here, steadfast and unwavering. Our intention is not to diminish Alric's life or the pain of his loss, but to present the unvarnished truth. In 2024, we have grown accustomed to comforting lies, but we believe it is essential to face reality, no matter how harsh it may be. Alric's story is a devastating reminder of the importance of respecting the power of nature and heeding warnings during the natural disasters. His tragic fate should teach everyone about the risk of underestimating these dangers. To Alric family, friends and community, we share your grief and sorrow. By sharing this raw truth, we can prevent future tragedies and encourage everyone to act with caution and responsibility during times of crisis. Let Alric's memory be a beacon that guides us towards making safer choices, valuing our lives, and respect the formidable force of nature. Don't think that you can defy the harsh reality of nature, especially when it comes down to strong winds and rain like an hurricane. Just heed to the warning and everything will be fine with you. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.